Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.